What we're going to do is we're going to slide this up into place. I usually hang the back box first, so go ahead and slide underneath. Use those hangers and those 13mm nuts to hang your back box. And then we're going to hang the AB pipes as well. You can slide them into the back box, and then we'll slide them into the mid pipe that's all in place. So just kind of hang them individually one at a time. The order doesn't matter as much. I mean, you could do the AB pipes first if you wanted, and then the back box. But go ahead and get all of that hung back in place. I'll show you what that looks like with all the correct clamps in place. Keep in mind, all of the clamps are loose right now. Everything is loose so we can work on fitment and orientation once everything's hung up. So let's get all this transferred and hung up in the car. All right, so the back box is in place. I've taken the shorter pipes off just to cut weight while I work with this, because those are just going to be for the exhaust tips. As you can see, I've got all the rest set. Now I've gone ahead and tipped the back box up, because a big hinge point as you hang all the pipes is this clamp right here. So I've tightened these clamps down strongly enough to hold the back box in essentially its proper position. All the rest are just snug as we go down the line. The clamps are 16. These big wider clamps are 17mm. These are still just kind of finger tight at this point, just to help hold the pipes in place. And then I've gone ahead and tightened down these at the top as well to help hold this all in place. So the big thing you really want to work with now is fitment. Now, one thing you'll notice is that there are these little disc clamps that will go over the end of your arms here. Now, I don't have one on right now, and as you can see, it's backed back out of the hanger a little bit. So you'll notice that in two baggies, so pairs, there'll be these little discs with an Allen wrench that will go onto the end of your hanger and secure it in place.